Hey guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your #1 spot for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster, the latest addition to Harley's iconic lineup. With a fresh design and powerful performance, the Nightster is ready to shake up the streets. Let's check out what's new for 2025. Performance engine. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster is powered by a 975cc Revolution Max V twin engine. This liquid-cooled power plant delivers impressive torque and smooth acceleration, offering an exhilarating ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through the city. With a refined engine tune, the Nightster provides a perfect balance of performance and rider comfort, making it ideal for both experienced riders and newcomers. Updated design. Harley-Davidson has given the 2025 Nightster a sleek and modern design while keeping its iconic, minimalist vibe intact. The bike features a lower stance, clean lines, and a bold, aggressive look with a signature Harley fuel tank and minimalist rear fender. The new blacked-out aesthetic, combined with subtle retro touches, gives the Nightster a unique presence on the road. Technology features. For 2025, the Nightster comes with updated electronics that blend technology with tradition. It features a digital display that keeps the rider informed on important metrics, such as fuel range and ride modes. The addition of advanced traction control and ABS ensures greater control and stability, particularly in challenging riding conditions. These updates make the Nightster not just a stylish cruiser, but a safer and more intelligent ride. Comfort handling. Comfort is key on the 2025 Nightster, and Harley-Davidson has made sure to deliver. The bike comes with an ergonomically designed seat that provides comfort on longer rides. With improved suspension and a low center of gravity, the Nightster handles effortlessly, offering a smooth ride whether you're navigating urban streets or cruising through open roads. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster strikes the perfect balance between classic Harley style and modern performance. With a fresh engine, sleek design, and new tech, it's a bike that offers both comfort and excitement for riders looking for something unique. Whether you're a Harley enthusiast or new to the brand, the Nightster is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes. Ride safe and stay tuned for more.